Hey there guys. So here's about a week later. I got that Bolens 1053 with the sickle bar out. I put better tires. They were off a Ford LGT 165. Same original style tread as what the Bolens was supposed to actually come with. So I got proper replacement tires with tubes, brand new heavy duty type tubes. So matching front and rears, it's original type, which is nice. That's off the checklist. I took the seat off, it's shot, so I gotta get a seat. I got a replacement engine, I'll show you guys inside. But in the meantime, I sprayed it down, and actually this is the stuff. It's pretty old. You can tell the can is all rusted, but yeah. Oh, and made in Canada. That's don't see much of that anymore. Hopefully we'll see more of that, but that's what I've been spraying it down with, and it worked, and it actually leaves it nice. Even down in here, you know, it turned out pretty decent. Now, I didn't go too heavy with the pressure washer because I didn't want to strip the paint, but you know, for what it is, I didn't really hit this much. You could see I didn't really touch it, but I got all in there and inside the belt guard. So yeah, let's go see that motor. So it's supposed to have a Wisconsin 10D, and I managed to find one, or a TRA 10D. Yeah. So right away though, what's missing? We got a piece missing, right? And it's kind of why I was able to find it, and the guy was selling it because he couldn't find the parts. I don't even know if I really want to show you what he did, but hey, I gotta give him credit, he was trying. But I do feel bad for this poor head. So this head came off that engine. It had a crack apparently down in here. I guess if you hold it up in the light, you might be able to I don't know. Yeah, you can see there's a little crack there. So he ground at it and tried to expose it so that way he could get in there and I guess try to TIG weld it or fill it in. But being that it's a head, there's a lot of pressure and it goes through heat cycles, so it's kind of questionable. Plus there's no cooling fins in this area, so the heat cycling is really going to be quite interesting. I don't know. So I got another head on the way. I'm not sure how long it's going to take due to what we're in right now with everything, but I do have a head on the way. This engine was rebuilt at some point or another. It's hard to tell. It's an E. There it is. I know I saw it earlier. There's a 10. Oh geez, it's hard to... Yeah, that's a 10. So it's 10 over. The valves are pretty good. Well, that's up right now, so... Seems pretty nice and tight, and then when it's up, there's not much play in it, and vice versa, so they seem alright. There's not much carbon build up, so it doesn't look like it was an oil burner. Ooh, don't go down in there. So, yeah. Got some parts on the way, and I got a book. And I actually found a book for the mower attachment for the tractor, which is kind of neat. That's on the way as well, so... There's that, and it came with another engine, which is a TRA-12D. So, you know, if all else fails, that's a possible swap. I'm not really sure about it though, because it's pretty sooty out the exhaust and leaks everything from everywhere. So, like it's already leaked a spot on the floor just sitting there. So the crankshaft seals are done. And then I got a nice gas tank here. So this other one that it came with originally, I'm not gonna use. I'll just put some oil in it so it keeps it okay. And then this one I'm gonna use. And then I got a bin of parts, miscellaneous bits, and there's quite a few parts in there, so I think it did pretty well. It's just a matter of getting it all put together and messing with it. And the exhaust has got to be swapped, because I don't know what kind of homemade thing he had on here, but that's going to be put to a more original looking muffler, like one of these. Either that, or I'll try to find one of the long ones that go along the side of the hood horizontally, but they're hard to find and they're not cheap. So either way, till the next time, guys, I will keep doing some videos just to, you know, show you as I move along this progress on this thing. But now that I'm back at work, it's a little more challenging to get time in to do anything, so at least I got some time in today. Made some pretty good progress. Got the motor I wanted. And yeah, little by little. Either way, guys, till the next time, take care and have a good one. Bye bye.